always say it's not about how somebody else sees you. It's about how you see
yourself. That makes all the difference.
You gotta look in the mirror and just feel good.
Right.
Be like, I got this. I am this.
Okay, you did the.
Yep. So this right here is the toner.
The blue.
Yep, the blue. The toner. So I'm gonna go ahead and just gonna take that toner.
Are we hearing?
Yep.
Okay.
We're right here.
Okay.
Hey, Mr. So the first thing we did was the blue. Okay, so that was the toner. Okay, and then we did the moisturizer.
Okay.
So cleanse, so wash your face, tone, moisturize.
Okay.
Okay, so now we're all prepped up.
One more thing. Is there any particular soap that you wash your face in, or do you use just plain water? I've been using Dove recently.
I try to stay away from like body soaps because body soaps, they're alkaline. So you want to have something that's going to restore the pH. CeraVe is a really good one. But just like something that's nice and light, but it actually says facial cleanser. Because the skin here, the skin of your body, the skin there, they're all different. So you should be using different cleansers on each of those different parts of the body.
Okay.
Okay?
All right.
So first thing we're going to do is brush that brow. And then after we brush the brow, I'm going to show the camera just so you can see when you go home. We're going to slide that powder in there. And then after I slide the powder in there, I'm going to take my finger and I'm going to pull the powder to the top.
Okay.
So all my powder is right here on the top.
Okay.
So all the powder is right there on the top. Okay. I'm going to kind of clean my fingers off so I don't get any dark dirtiness on your face.
Okay.
I'm going to take my thumb and I'm going to lift up this brow. So you see how when I lift that up, you can see this shape a little bit better?
Yes.
Okay. Then I'm going to take the brow powder and I'm going to, wherever I want you to have a little bit more hair, I'm going to stroke that brow powder. And then just brush it on in.
Can you see the gray in there?
Well, the good thing about gray is that it's pigment. It's lost its pigment. So once you put that powder on there, it's going to cover it up.
That's good. Okay.
And the brow powder, it stays really well by itself. So once you put it on, until you wash your face, it should stay right on. I'm just going to connect those lines. And I'm not making like lines, I'm making strokes.
Okay.
All right. And then before I do the next part, I'm going to use my brush cleaner. So just a little brush cleaner. I'm going to spray that brush cleaner directly on the brush and then get all that dark powder out.
Okay.
So the reason why I want to get that dark powder out is because I don't want to make it muddy.
Okay. Now if you look at the brows, they're different.
Wait, hold on. We're not there yet.
Okay.
We're not there yet.
Okay. I'm just
So now
too
we're
fast.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
slow
So that's
down.
what the sculpting cream is for. The sculpting is going to make them the same.
Okay.
Right? So we're going to take that sculpting cream, that right there,
Okay.
and we're going to slide it in there. And we're going to take our finger and lift it up. So right in that arch. And then I'm going to blend down. And then just a little bit right over the top. And then as I'm looking at the brows, you go side to side. Wherever you need to add a little bit more of that sculpting cream, you just apply a little bit more of it. And you're sculpting those brows out. So if it feels like it's a little too dark here or there, just blend it on out with the sculpting cream.
Okay.
And you're going to pull that sculpting cream down and make sure that it blends in. And I'm not going to apply any more of the sculpting cream because you already have it on here. I'm just going to use the sculpting cream that's already on to blend away.
Okay.
And then check from side to side. And then you got the new LAMIK eyeshadow.
Okay.
So this color right here.
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna take that brush and we're just gonna slide it in there.
Okay.
Okay. And then I'm gonna take my finger and I'm gonna lift that eyelid up so I can reveal all your eyelid. And then I'm gonna take the brush and wherever I want there to be some color, I'm gonna pat that brush there. And I'm gonna do it all over the eyelid. And I'm gonna take my napkin and just kind of dust off some of that shimmer. I'm gonna use the same brown color that we used on your eyebrow. We're gonna use that in your crease.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna take this brush and I'm gonna stick it right in that crease. So you see how when I do that, the eye starts to fold over?
Mm-hmm.
So that's how you know you have it in the right area.
Okay.
And then you're just gonna take your hand and kind of lift that skin up and then just blend. And you can always dust off a little bit more of the powder. Because once it's on there, you don't need any more of the powder.
Mm-hmm.
At this point, you're just trying to make everything blend in.
Okay.
And it should blend from the light color to the dark color to your brows. I'm actually going to take a little bit more of that brow and kind of cover up right there. Because we want that area right there to be a light spot.
Okay.
So that sculpting cream, it can also be a, course correct. If it didn't quite do what I wanted to do, and I want it lighter right there,
Okay.
I can just take that and put that right on top. Because we always want this area up in here to be on the lighter side.
Okay.
Because that's what's gonna open up your eyes. And just a little bit on the dark side, right on the inside. We'll do the same thing on the other side. Awesome. And then now we're gonna do that soft black color. That's gonna be our eyeliners. We're using the same brow brush. Okay, look up for me. And we're gonna do it just on the eye line. Some people like to get two brow brushes just so they can kind of like clean it, don't have to clean it off as much in between.
Mm-hmm.
You don't have to if you get the brush cleaner. For that top outline, we're gonna take it and swoop on the top. And you can go all the way across. Right now, I'm just gonna do the little outside piece to give it that extra pop. And then just get the mascara. And with the mascara, I always say look down towards the ground. Don't close your eyes. Just down towards the ground.
And not close. Is that what?
Oh no, you're doing perfectly.
Okay.
I'm just telling you for the video.
Okay.
And then just touch wherever you wish you had a little bit more.
And what did you get? You got that black?
This right here is the mascara.
The mascara.
Look up. But we use the black as your eyeliner.
Okay.
And we use that on the top and on the bottom. And then I like to take the mascara and do it a little bit on the eyeliner. Because you see how we didn't do it on the other side, but you see how when we did it on that eye, how you want the eyes to be the center of attention?
Right.
And so it doesn't take a lot. You don't have to do like false eyelashes or anything like that. Just a little bit of mascara on your bottom lid. Makes them stand out. Sculpting cream underneath the eye. So the same product that we use for sculpting the eyebrow, the same product that we use right up over top of the eyeshadow, that's what we're going to use.
Okay.
Okay.
The lighter brown. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
And I'm just going to take my fingers and just wherever I wish your skin was a little bit lighter, I'm going to dab it there. And this is one of the only things I'll ever apply makeup with a finger is around the eye area. And it's just because the eye area is so delicate.
Yes.
You want to make sure you're not pulling on it too much. So that's why you feel me like kind of doing like that. So that's applying the foundation without really irritating your eyes.
Okay.
If you have any fallout underneath you, like any from when you're doing the eyeshadow, that's why I also do my eyeshadow before I do my foundation. I'll take the toner and look up. Any like mascara or whatever that's not supposed to be underneath there, I'll clean that up and kind of take it and lift up here, and that helps to give you a really nice clean look. And then go back.
Those bags.
They happen to the best of us.
Lord have mercy.
Some of us, we can get all the sleep in the world, we're still gonna have
I'm
some
gonna
bags.
find something to get rid of those things. My goodness. Okay. They advertise everything and nothing really works. So.
Yeah, the only thing you really can do is water. Make sure you're hydrated.
Yes, drink plenty of water. Yes.
And that's why I say sometimes it's just hereditary.
Yeah.
So it's just the way you were born. Your mom, if you look at your mom, your grandma, and all that, they got it.
I'm not accepting that. No, I'm gonna get rid of it. I just need to drink more water.
Water will definitely
and
help.
I know that's my problem.
I think we all need more water in our life. I had to have.
Well, if I can do 3, I'm good.
Feeling?
Hey.
Feeling good?
I'm feeling good.
Okay.
Good here.
So the next part is going to be our sculpting cream underneath the eye. So the same product that we use for sculpting the eyebrow, the same product we use right up over top of the eyeshadow, that's what we're
No, listen, I'm gonna get rid of it. I just need to drink more water.
Water will definitely
And I
help.
know that's my problem.
I think we all need more water in our life. I had to have.
Well, if I can do 3, I'm good.
So, Miss Helen, when you came in, how were you feeling?
Ooh, I didn't feel very good about myself. I thought I was very ugly. But when I came in, I told her I wanted to make me look like a queen.
And how do you feel
And
now?
hey, I'm a queen.
Even the shirt says it.
I love it.